So now we will start with the next topic, that is basic comparator. So as we know that comparator is nothing but it is used to compare the input voltage with the reference voltage. So if the input voltage is greater than the reference voltage, then output voltage V0 is taken as plus V saturation. Otherwise, if the input voltage is less than the reference voltage, then the V0 is taken as minus V saturation. Here plus V saturation is nothing but plus VCC, minus V saturation nothing but minus VEE. So that I will show in the circuit diagram. Just you need to understand that comparator is nothing but to compares either it is greater than or smaller. Okay. Here two types of comparators are used. One is non-inverting comparator and the second is inverting comparator. So based on the connection of input signal to the inverting or non-inverting terminal, the comparator are categorized as inverting comparator and non-inverting comparator. So first we will focus on inverting non-inverting comparator and its input and output waveforms. So now look at this circuit diagram here. So in this circuit diagram, the Vin is the applied input voltage which is connected to the plus terminal, means non-inverting terminal, hence the name non-inverting comparator. Okay, and then inverting terminal is connected to the reference voltage. Here we have chosen the reference voltage as 1 volts. So our intention is to compare the input voltage and produce the output voltage with respect to the reference voltage. Okay, so here there are some components which are connected here. Here the resistors are used to limit the currents towards the diodes. These two diodes are called as protective diodes, which are used to protect the operational amplifier when there is a massive increase in the input signal. Okay, so just to protect the op amp, we have used two diodes which are used to protect the operational amplifier. So now we will discuss how this op amp can be used as a non-inverting comparator and converts the sine wave into a particular square wave or rectangular waveform. So now we'll move on to the waveforms here. So these are the first two waveforms which I am showing here right now. Okay. So in this, here Vin is the applied voltage which is for the non-inverting terminal. So reference voltage is taken as 1 volts here, which is connected here. So this is one complete waveform here. Okay. So now the condition goes like this: if this input voltage Vin is greater than this reference voltage, then V0 should be, this V0 should be equals to plus VCC, that is plus V saturation. Otherwise, if this Vin is less than reference voltage, means from this to this much is a lesser than V reference. So when the Vin is at this time, then V0 should be minus VEE. V0 should be minus VEE. In other words, we call it as minus V saturation. Okay, so that is what shown here in the waveforms. So in this waveform which is shown here, okay, so plus during the positive or when Vn is greater than V reference, this time of waveform we got a positive cycle because V0 equals to V saturation plus V saturation. When it becomes lesser than V reference this time, then it becomes minus V saturation. So that's why the time period of positive is lesser, the time period of negative is larger. This is because the negative cycle is much larger when you compare with the positive cycle. Only this part of the positive cycle, it has constant for the plus V saturation. So remaining time it is at negative cycle. Okay, so this is about V reference when it is taken at the positive side. So this V reference is taken at the positive side for non-inverting comparator. Similarly, if I taken it for the negative side, so it will exactly opposite here, means the time period for the positive cycle is larger, whereas the time period for the negative cycle is lesser, because again the same condition here, when Vin is greater than V reference, here is our V reference. So here this time of positive cycle and some part of negative cycle, here the output voltage V0 equals to plus V saturation. So that's why it is shown here. So this time period is larger comparing to this time period. So a simple basic comparator with reference to the reference voltage and input signal. Similarly, the same explanation is given here about the diodes, okay, about the reference voltage, about the input voltage and other resistors which are connected in the circuit. Similarly, you can discuss it for the inverting comparator. So, when I discuss with the inverting comparator, only the changes Vin is applied for the inverting terminal and plus terminal, that is non-inverting terminal, is connected to the reference voltage. But there is one change is done here. So, instead of connecting V reference directly to the voltage, it is connected to the 10 kilo ohm pot. Okay, this pot changes the reference voltage if we decrease or increase. If the pot value of 10 kilo ohm is increased towards the plus VCC, then V reference becomes more positive. If the pot value is increased towards the minus VEE, then the reference voltage will be more negative. Now, so we will keep the reference voltage at a particular value. So, again we will apply the input voltage. So, again we will get the output voltage with respect to that. Here this is a complete one waveform of input. This is the reference voltage. So, this is positive and this is negative reference. Both are same, which we have discussed in the non-inverting comparator. Okay, again, so this is a inverting comparator, means there is a 180-degree phase shift. Positive will get negative. So, nothing but during this part of the positive cycle, we will get a negative cycle with minus V saturation, which is shown here. This is for the positive cycle of V in when it is greater than V reference, which is shown here. At that time, we will get minus V saturation because it is inverting configuration or inverting comparator. For V in is less than V reference, we will get a positive cycle, 180-degree phase shift. Similarly, for negative reference also, only the change is time period. For this, the time period increases because up to this much of time, it will be on for the negative cycle, that is minus V saturation. Only this part of the negative cycle it is on, hence the time period for the positive cycle is less. Very simple topic. So, this is about basic comparator. Okay. So, using inverting comparator and non-inverting comparator. Only the condition is if V in is greater than V reference, V naught is plus V saturation if it is a non-inverting configuration. Otherwise, it is a minus V saturation if it is a inverting configuration. Okay. So, this is about basic comparator. Thank you.